Hey there. So this is Tara Haley and just making up some makeshift marimba mallet pads to practice on. And there are several ways you can do it. You can draw them out. I'm going to switch over. Draw them out like I did a really rough sketch here. And I just found a piece of common board. It's a 1x3. You can find them at Home Depot and you can have them cut them for you. And just outline it and set it up as a keyboard, or you can actually use tape, and I use painter's tape. You don't have to use this. This is pretty expensive stuff. Duct tape would work fine, but I laid it out on a piece of cardboard, and it's corrugated cardboard, so see these lines? So you don't even need a measuring tape. I just use these lines to measure the distance between the strips of tape, and see, that way it's fairly even. And so what I did is just rolled out the tape a little bit longer than I wanted the bars to be, and just took a razor blade and sliced down. This is fun holding the camera, and just slice down to make it kind of a cleaner cut. And just basically eyeballing it from using the rest of the pieces, and yeah. So that's it. I would recommend duct tape instead of painter's tape, but this is what I had in the garage. So there we go, a makeshift mallet keyboard using cardboard and tape.